Website Development by Jevon Hayter of DeMoss Marketing and Advertising. In this video, I want to cover some website basics. Now that we have chosen our keyword, we also have picked a domain, and we have created our content either by writing our articles or by ordering them through iWriter. So now that we have all of that information and we have all those things in place, we can start to build our site. And I want to go over these website basics with you. You want the width of your website to be around 800. That'd be just right to show up on all the tablets, cell phones, and the average computer screen. You also want the text color to be gray. The reason we want it to be gray is so that our Google AdSense ads will show up brighter on the page, which will attract people to click on the ad, because that's how we make our money with Google AdSense, from people clicking on the link. So we want our text color to be gray instead of the usual black. We also want our Google AdSense code to be placed at the top of our site, and we want to use the 336 by 280 large rectangle Google ad to place at the top of our page. And finally, we want to use pictures of the product or service. So I'm going to help you out today, and I'm going to show you a live example of how this is going to look once you put it all together onto a site. And we're going to use crocsoutletinfo.com as our case study here. So let's go run over there and take a quick gander. We are now on my website, crocsoutletinfo.com, and as you can see, the width of it is right around 800 or so. You see I have pictures of the Crocs shoes at the very top of the website. People love pictures, so you want to use them on your site. Then I have my title, or my H1 tag, and then here is the Google ads from Google AdSense, and this is the 336 block. Crocs.com official size, 60% off all shoes. Somebody's going to click on that one. You know, Crocs clearance. Somebody would click on that, and it's right at the very top of the article. So people don't realize it, but you know, this website is designed specifically for Google AdSense clicks, and my text is gray. Also, if you can find a YouTube video, always throw a video on your site. That just really helps with getting ranked, but that kind of goes into SEO. And that's it. That's how our site is designed, and those are the factors and the basics that you want to do. What this is going to do is allow you to have a high click-through rate. The average click-through rate that most marketers receive is about 5%. 5% is considered good. I've heard some marketers say that by setting up their website in this format, you know, they've seen as high as 70-80% click-through rate, which is phenomenal. But if you can just get 5%, you know, you would be doing well. So let's take a look at when you're in Google, when you're in AdSense, Google AdSense, and you want to get that rectangle size. You just come, and it's 336 by 280 again. You click this to text ads only. We don't want to do any pictures. And under the custom settings, we want to change our text here to all C's, which is going to be a gray, and our URL to B3, which is a darker gray, which is going to make our ad look like this. We want that blue link to stand out so people will click on it, and everything else we want to be in light gray, which gave us the look here. So that's why. Remember, we're trying to make money through Google AdSense, so we want clicks. So we want those links to just jump off of the page, and we want people to be enticed to click on them. Now, going back to what I was speaking on just a second ago about your click-through rate, just going to show you the inside look at the performance of this site for June. And June of this year, see crocsoutletinfo.com here. This site had a click-through rate of 13.41%, which again is pretty good. 5% is considered good. So 13% click-through rate, I'll take that any day. So for the amount of traffic that this site received, and with this click-through rate, this site made $71.44 in the month of June. So that is not a bad profit. For one, it was just from one keyword. Also for a site that only cost me $30 to make. Um, profiting $71 a month 1 month is pretty good. Also, um, as the other pages on the site move up in the Google search engine, um, I expect this site to basically quadruple this number, and we'll be making a pretty good profit from this site. So there is money to be made with Google AdSense, and the cost per click for this site is only around, I think it was maybe $1.50, maybe $2. So it's not a real big money maker because the cost per click isn't that high. But consider a keyword where the cost per click is $40, $30 a click, and if you get this same 13% on a keyword that has a cost per click of that high, now you're talking about some serious money being made through Google AdSense. So I just want you to know the opportunity that is here for you by building niche websites for Google AdSense. There's definitely money to be made, and it's here for you to get involved in by following this course and getting started. Let's talk about our final step. Now that you have picked the right keyword, ordered your domain, created the content, and put your site together, your final step is you must promote your new site. And the goal is to rank #1 on the Google search engine and also on Bing and Yahoo. And so to rank #1, you're going to have to build backlinks. Backlinks is how you're going to promote your website. A backlink is a vote in the eyes of Google for your site. The more votes you have, the higher you will move up on the search ranking. So you have to promote your website. You have to build backlinks, the right type of backlinks, the right type of way to move your website up the Google search engine. Because once you get your website into the #1 position, now you are making good money on autopilot, and success is yours. You're not doing anything but waking up, checking your Google AdSense account to see how much money you've made. And trust me when I say it's a beautiful thing to wake up in the morning and you've already made money. So some of the tactics that I use in building backlinks is I use article marketing, I use web directories, I do blog commenting, I create .edu and .gov links. I also do social bookmarking and use social networks like Facebook and Twitter. So look for my Udemy course on building backlinks at wordsofwealth.com and get your hands on that, and it will show you exactly how to build good backlinks to have your websites rank high in the search engines so you can create that automatic traffic to create automatic clicks to see money in your Google AdSense account every morning when you wake up. I hope you have enjoyed this Google AdSense mini course series that I put together for you. I pray that it will be a benefit to your life. I pray that you will be able to take this information and apply it and start to receive income into your life today. It works if it's done properly, and if you stick to it and don't give up, you can have success. You definitely can make money with Google AdSense. Thank you again for watching this video and signing up to my newsletter. My name is Jevon Hayter, and I'm signing off with all you have to lose is everything you want. Everybody be blessed. Bye-bye.